Hey, welcome to Dev Akshay. Today we are covering CS restrict keyword in a Node.js context, which is crucial for optimizing performance in real projects. Now let me show you why we need the restrict keyword. When working with large datasets, memory access patterns can significantly impact performance. Watch what happens when multiple pointers access the same memory location. This is where the restrict keyword comes in, to ensure the compiler optimizes memory access. Let's walk through this together, starting with a simple analogy. Think of memory as a room where multiple people are trying to access the same resource. Here's where most people get confused. The restrict keyword is a promise to the compiler that a pointer will be the only one accessing a particular memory location. In simple terms, it's like putting a lock on the room so only one person can enter at a time. Now, let's define it. The restrict keyword is a type qualifier that informs the compiler about the aliasing of pointers. So, let's walk through our first example. We have a function that takes two pointers as arguments, but we promise that these pointers won't alias each other. Now, watch what happens here. First, we have the function signature with the restrict keyword. Then, we have the function body where we can safely assume the pointers don't alias. And this last line shows how we call the function with two non-aliasing pointers. Now, let's look at a more realistic example. In a real project, you might have a function that processes large arrays using multiple pointers. Here's how you can use the restrict keyword to ensure the compiler optimizes the memory access. So, first we have the function signature with the restrict keyword. Then, we have the loop where we access the arrays using the restricted pointers. And here, we see the benefit of using restrict. Did you notice that the restrict keyword only works if you use it correctly? Now, let's see what happens when you use it incorrectly. So, first we have the incorrect code where we alias the pointers. Then, we see the correct version where we use separate pointers. And here, we understand why the correct version is important for performance. Thanks for watching. Try using the restrict keyword in your next project and subscribe to Dev Akshay for more programming tutorials.